Exploration. Entering the world of secondary science. Introduction. In middle school, science encouraged you to observe the world carefully and ask interesting questions. You learned that science begins with curiosity and grows through experiments and evidence. You explored both living and non-living parts of the world around you. Now, in secondary school, your scientific journey continues with deeper exploration. You will study not only scientific facts, but also how scientific knowledge is developed. Science explains how observations led to measurements and discoveries. Scientists identify patterns and represent them using symbols and equations. Models are created to understand complicated systems more easily. Scientific ideas are tested repeatedly before they are accepted. Sometimes old ideas are modified or replaced when new evidence appears. Science helps us understand nature, technology, and our place in the universe. Careful observation is an important part of scientific exploration. Scientists look for details that others may overlook. Exploration also requires direction and thoughtful questioning. Scientific exploration is a purposeful search for understanding. Models in science. The natural world is extremely complex and difficult to study in complete detail. To understand this complexity, scientists use models. A model is a simplified representation of a real system. Models focus only on features important for a particular question. Unnecessary details are intentionally ignored. In physics, a moving car may be represented as a single point. In chemistry, atoms and molecules are often shown as pairs and bonds. In biology, cells are represented through labeled diagrams. In earth science, Earth may be shown as a layered sphere. These simplified representations help scientists study complex systems. Building models requires making assumptions. Scientists deliberately ignore details that are not essential. While studying falling objects, air resistance may be neglected. This allows scientists to focus on the effect of gravity. Simplification makes scientific analysis easier and clearer. In biology, the heart is studied as a complete pumping system. Individual cells may be ignored in such studies. Ignoring details is not a mistake. It is a scientific strategy used to solve problems effectively. Models help us answer the questions without unnecessary complexity. A cricket shot. Imagine a cricket ball being hit for a 6. The main question is whether the ball crosses the boundary before touching the ground. Some details are important for answering this question. Other details can be ignored safely. Scientists identify which information matters most. The mass of the ball affects its motion. The speed of the ball is very important. The direction in which the ball is hit also matters. These factors strongly influence the ball's path. They must be included in the model. The bat's brand does not affect the answer significantly. The color of the ball can be ignored. The amount of grass on the field is usually unimportant. Small effects like air resistance may also be neglected. More advanced models include additional details for better accuracy. Let us model. Imagine riding a bicycle from school to home. You want to estimate the time taken for the journey. Important factors may include distance and average speed. Some details may not influence the answer much. Ignoring unnecessary details makes calculations simpler. Language of science. Science uses language very carefully and precisely. Many common words have special meanings in science. Words like force, work, reaction, and cell are scientific terms. Their meanings are more specific than everyday usage. This avoids confusion and misunderstanding. Scientists around the world use a shared scientific language. This allows observations and results to be compared accurately. Scientific quantities are represented using symbols. Symbols help communicate ideas efficiently. Units ensure measurements remain consistent. Mass is represented by the symbol m. Velocity is represented by v. Force is represented by F. Electric current is represented by I. Each quantity is associated with a specific unit. Meet a scientist, Meghnad Saha. Physicist Meghnad Saha studied the light coming from stars. He simplified the problem instead of analyzing every detail. He treated the matter inside stars as hot gas. Many complicated processes were ignored deliberately. This made the problem easier to study. Saha focused mainly on temperature and pressure. He also studied how atoms become ions. His simplified model explained the colors of stars. Star color was linked to temperature. This shows the power of scientific simplification. Mathematics in science. Mathematics is an important language of science. It helps scientists describe relationships clearly. Mathematics is not meant to be a hurdle. It helps us think more logically about the world. Equations summarize scientific relationships efficiently. Motion can be described using distance, time, and velocity. Mathematical relationships help predict future positions. Chemistry uses mathematics to study reaction rates. Biology uses mathematics to study population growth. Energy changes can also be expressed mathematically. Learning science is not about memorizing equations. First, understand the situation being studied. Identify the quantities involved. Then apply the mathematical relationship. Mathematics becomes a tool for reasoning and understanding. Ready to go beyond. Airplane fuel miscalculation. A passenger aircraft once ran out of fuel during flight. The problem was caused by a unit conversion mistake. Pounds and kilograms were confused during calculations. The aircraft carried less fuel than required. Fortunately, an emergency landing was successful. Standard units. The foundation of reliable science. Scientists use the SI system internationally. Consistent units improve accuracy. They allow reliable communication worldwide. Correct measurements are essential for safety. Threads of curiosity. Why is a kilogram used everywhere? A kilogram should represent the same mass everywhere. Different standards would create confusion in daily life. International agreements define standard units. Scientific measurements depend on these standards. They ensure fairness in trade and commerce. Laws, theories, and principles. Scientific knowledge is organized systematically. You will encounter laws, theories, and principles. These terms have special meanings in science. They help explain and predict natural phenomena. Each serves a different purpose. A law describes a regular pattern observed in nature. Laws are often written using words or equations. Newton's laws explain many everyday motions. For example, they explain the jerk felt when a bus stops. Laws describe what happens. A theory explains why observed patterns occur. Theories are supported by strong evidence. Atomic theory explains how molecules are formed. Scientific theories are not guesses. They are carefully tested explanations. Principles are broad ideas used in many situations. They help us understand scientific behavior. The conservation of energy is one example. It can explain what happens while climbing stairs. Principles guide scientific reasoning. Scientific ideas are always open to improvement. New evidence can change existing explanations. This flexibility is a strength of science. Science corrects itself through evidence. That is why scientific knowledge is reliable. The strength of science. Prediction. Models, laws, and theories help predict future events. Predictions are based on evidence and reasoning. They are not random guesses. Accurate predictions increase confidence in scientific ideas. Certain principles can predict a football's travel distance. Chemistry can predict carbon dioxide production. Biology can predict breathing changes during running. Predictions help scientists test their understanding. They support deeper exploration. Sometimes predictions do not match observations. Scientists then review their assumptions. Models and measurements are checked again. This process improves scientific understanding. Science grows through testing and correction. How do we check predictions? Varsha predicts rain because the clouds look dark. A scientific prediction must be testable. Scientists look for measurable evidence. Past observations are also important. Reliable predictions require data. Meghna could ask about humidity levels. She could ask about wind speed and direction. Temperature changes may provide useful evidence. Previous weather patterns should be examined. Scientific questions focus on measurable facts. Ready to go beyond weather forecasts. Weather depends on many interacting factors like temperature, pressure, humidity, and wind all matter. Forecasts use measurements and scientific models. Small differences can grow over time. Therefore, long-term forecasts are less certain. Science and evidence. Scientific theories have limits. They may fail under new conditions. This is not a weakness of science. It is one of science's greatest strengths. Science changes when evidence demands it. Scientists do not reject ideas based on opinions. Evidence is the deciding factor. No scientific theory is final forever. Every idea remains open to testing. This openness drives scientific progress. Threads of curiosity. Viral claims during an eclipse. Some people claim food becomes harmful during an eclipse. Science investigates such claims using evidence. An eclipse is simply a play of shadows. Scientists ask whether any physical change occurs. Evidence does not support the claim. Temperature changes during an eclipse are usually small. Food does not spoil merely because it is in shadow. No known physical mechanism supports the claim. No chemical mechanism supports the claim either. Scientific thinking helps identify misinformation. Estimation in science. Scientists often begin with rough estimates. Exact values are not always necessary initially. Estimation helps check whether answers are reasonable. It builds intuition and confidence. It also helps detect mistakes quickly. Estimation connects science with everyday life. Questions about food and resources often use estimation. Reasonable approximations are scientifically valuable. Science values careful reasoning over blind calculation. Understanding is more important than memorization. Estimating daily air intake. An average person takes about 12 to 15 breaths each minute. This gives roughly 20,000 breaths in a day. One breath contains approximately half a liter of air. Multiplying these values gives a rough estimate. About 10,000 liters of air may be inhaled daily. Scientists verify estimates using alternative methods. A balloon can help estimate the volume of a breath. Different approaches should give similar answers. Close agreement increases confidence in the estimate. Estimation is a practical scientific skill. Science branches organized for study, interconnected in nature. These include physics, chemistry, biology, and earth science. The division help organize knowledge. Nature itself has no such boundaries. Scientific fields are interconnected. Climate change requires knowledge from multiple disciplines. Medicine development combines different scientific fields. Sustainable technology also needs interdisciplinary thinking. Science connects naturally with mathematics and technology. Multiple perspectives improve understanding. Ready to go beyond? How does a mask really work? Real world problems often involve several scientific branches. Face masks became important during the COVID-19 pandemic. Physics explains particle motion and electrostatic attraction. Chemistry explains properties of mask fibers. Biology explains virus size and behavior. Mathematics helps model airflow and filtration efficiency. Science is more than facts, formulas, and experiments. It grows through curiosity, creativity, and collaboration. Scientific thinking helps us evaluate information critically. Begin your journey with evidence, curiosity, and a spirit of exploration. This is the end of this chapter.
Thanks for watching every single scene. You're the best part of the screen. Hit that button, let me know. Like and subscribe.